Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with functional model versus architectural model. Functional model, in the last lecture we have studied that functional model is nothing but a block diagram of a product or a system. A system may be a automatic hand sanitizer. Here, for example, we will consider automatic hand sanitizer, and architectural model means a actual circuit diagram of automatic hand sanitizer we will consider. Let us understand functional model. The functional model explains a system through a set of interacting functional elements. Means it is a system through a set of interacting functional elements. Here the design proceeds at a high level without initial bias towards any specific implementation. Hence there is a freedom to explore and to be creative, and behavioral of the function is best described with hierarchical and graphical model. The functional model will interact using one of three types of the relation mentioned are shared variable relation, then second one is synchronized relation, and third one is measured transfer by ports. As an example I will give you, suppose we are designing a automatic hand sanitizer machine. Whether that machine is functional or not, to see that we will use one LED, whether power supply is operating or not, to see that, to check that once we insert a pin inside a board, then automatically it should glow one LED. LED will tell us that power is on. Whether this function is a requirement, of course in a specification there may not be a requirement, or in some cases a person will require that LED. So LED will tell us that power supply is on. So during functional design, functional designer will draw a block of LED. A architectural designer will take out positive supply and negative supply out from power supply section. It will connect LED across plus and minus VCC, so that when power supply is on, LED will glow. So this is what the functional model and its output is according to architectural design. As I told you, functional model will interact with external agencies by three ways. External agencies means users or a person who is using your product. By which are the ways by which this functional model will interact to the users? First one, shared variable relation. Suppose in a software of uniprocessor you have a variable inside a software. That variable should be shared by everybody. That means a variable, suppose a delay of 10 microseconds, it should be shared at all places in the software. So shared variable relations, which defines a data transaction without temporal interdependence. That means it should be shared with everybody. Data transmission can be done using sharing of variables. Then secondly, Synchronization relations. Synchronization relation which simulates temporary dependency. Relation should be synchronized. That means 10 microsecond or 100 microsecond should be delay, that should be synchronized with each other properly. Third one is message transport by port. Through the IOs, message should be transported. That means through the keypad, message should be transferred. That means whether it is functional or not. If there is error, that should be communicated. So such type of three types of relational methods are available in a functional model. So all these things should be clearly mentioned in a functional model, so that architectural designer will understand it thoroughly. And so the architectural design or architectural model explain, see I am writing over here, the architectural model explains the physical system based upon real components such as microprocessors, special purpose units, analog and digital components, and so on. So microprocessor, as I told you in the last lecture, that it is a actual design using electronic components which will take care of all three internal data transfer methods or relations: synchronization relation, message transfer by port, or that may be through a shared variable. So everything should be taken care by architectural model. Let us understand the width for both models. Both model means mapping functional and architectural. What is it? First one is mapping functional, necessary to add the mapping between the functional viewpoint and the architectural one. So it will add mapping between the functional and architectural. Architectural configuration, such mapping defines a portion and the allocation of functional components to the hardware elements. That means it is essential to understand whether supply is on or not. In an architectural design, we take a LED. So LED is nothing but actual allocation of functional component in a power supply, and functional design will only say mapping between this architectural design and the outer external. Then another, there will be functional model. Functional model is necessary for suitable for representing the internal grouping of the system. And architectural structure, it is finer grained and usually follows from the functional model. Finer grained. So functional model is block diagram and architectural model is a circuit diagram which is more finer than the functional diagram. We will see next part in the next lecture. Thank you.